Yeah, so United definitely needed a winger, and Bale was put out there, and then obviously Tottenham ne move mara, and 3 दिन में पूरा deal खत्म कर दिया. I mean, do you regret losing out on Bale away? Like, Tushar?
Not at all. Because we don't know how good he is. Like, we don't know how good he is now. It's been some time. Yeah, that's what. I don't think so. Aman,
It's like,
good comment.
yeah, basically बोलेंगे कि खेला नहीं है इतने time से 1 year maybe, then Madrid में hardly games थे थोड़े, so it's not because like उसके वो एक साल से depend judge कर सकते हैं, injury records थे, but looking at his past records for Madrid, he was a really great player. Premier League में he's already proven himself.
Do we know why he was benched? But like, do we even know that?
See, basically, it was all like about the dispute with Zidane, which all came out. You know, it's like everywhere it was that the board with Perez, and you know, it's like the poster Wales calls Madrid in that order. You know, it all created a big, huge controversy for that.
Yeah, the golf thing is insane though.
Yeah,
he keeps getting criticized for golf, but he doesn't stop playing golf. It's amazing.
Yeah. It's like even at Madrid, at the end, even his agent said that Bale has lost a love for football. He won't be like playing the same.
And you've just bought him.
Yeah. So that's what the thing was. That's what the thing was when he was flying. When he got to know about Spurs, and there was this Spanish journalist who reported as well. He was talking to him, and he just said that it's good to be home. That's the first thing he said to the Spanish outlet, because it's obviously like, you know, the love which he gets at Spurs. I don't think he'll ever.
थोड़ी ऐसा बोलेगा कहाँ वापस आ गया चोको लोग के साथ.
हाँ. अरे नहीं bro. It's like you see
but then
Spurs के.
He's Welsh, so you know it's home for him. Like, you know, coming back to the UK and everything. And so he's gonna work.
You could see the hype yesterday before the training ground. Like, people were bonkers out there, man.
Yeah, obviously.
एक upliftment रहेगा, bro. You can't say there will be no impact.
But does he still have it? That's the question.
Yes.
That's the only question.
Yes.
And I think it'll have a more impact.
Long,
and Bale joining Tottenham will have more impact than Bale joining United would have.
Yes, obviously. And you know, like, it's always the fans as well, like, which lifts you up. You know, the support of your fans and the support of your manager. You know, Jose Mourinho can lift them up easily, and the players are there. It's like, since the time he left, like, all the players have been replaced except Hugo Lloris. So he's like, he was the captain time. It's like he's here right now again. So, you know, anything can happen now, and I'm really hoping to see him.
And his record for Real Madrid was pretty good. 251 games, 105 goals, 68
assists. But that was, I guess, it is a really good stat, man. If you could see, like, he scored more than Ronaldo and all. I don't compare with these players. Those players are different. But, you know, it's like the respect which he deserved, he never got that at Madrid.
Also, the question is, Mourinho is a different type of motivator. He's not going to be like, oh, poor baby, you know, we're going to get you up there. He's not going to...
That's what he needs. That's what he needs.
He's going to be the other cynical way of motivating, which is he's going to be like, you know, I think you're doing this wrong, prove me wrong. You know, that is what he is. So is Bale the kind of person who will get motivated by that? That's also the question. Because
I think
Ali doesn't seem to get motivated by that right now.
Screw Ali, man. Screw Ali. Like,
I think what Mourinho is gonna say is, like, if you want to play golf, golf खेल.
नहीं golf खेलना है. उसको बोलेगा हैरी केन भी गोल्फ खेलता है पूरा टाइम, बट वो गेम पे भी खेलता है. तो तू इधर खेल ले, बाद में उसके साथ खेल ले.
I can't believe golf is such a big issue with Bale. To just quit golf. I mean, he's getting paid so much for...
It's like Jordan suddenly went to play baseball. Like in his rookie times. It's like
and then he's like, screw basketball. I don't care about basketball anymore.
And then he returns to basketball and then wins like 3 series in a row. So I'm just wondering.
And I feel like, you know, Bale just needs one game, you know, like one top game to get his form back, because he's that sort of a player. He's almost like, while attitude-wise I compare him with Harry Kane, because Harry Kane is also that player. He needs one goal and you know he's going to spree then. So even Bale needs one game.
31.
Bale is 31. Bale is 31.
Do you think he's lost pace? Because pace is a big part of Bale's game. You don't think he's lost pace at all?
Basically, we haven't seen him play in a year.
No. I mean,
he definitely won't be as fast as before.
Yeah,
that's
not
for sure.
exactly.
He was crazy before. I mean, the time he was there, it was like... Even if he can be like 70% of the player that he was, still amazing.
Yeah, that will be a big impact for us. You know, it will be like a really big impact for us. If you could remember the pace, like if talking about pace, the game against Inter Milan where he scored a hat trick, screwed Maicon like on the left.
Oh yeah, the
He was a
Inter
left
Milan
back
game.
that time.
That's the one that Spurs fans
4-3.
keep talking about. That Inter Milan.
Yeah, that's the time when he got evolved, right?
Yeah,
Basically
yeah.
from a left back to a left winger. That was the time where he was like evolved perfectly. So yeah, it's a big thing for us, and you know, it's like let's see.
What is the fee though?
It's basically like a loan fee. So it's a loan fee, 1 year deal. Okay. So
Are you
we have
paying all of his wages?
No, it's 60-40. Madrid are paying 60, we are paying 40. So basically,
Oh my god, dude.
yeah. So that's like
Just
that's a win
imagine
situation
that.
for us. Okay, that's a win situation for
Yeah,
us.
that's a
basically.
win.
Yeah, because 360 is paid by Madrid and 240 is paid by Spurs, and we have an option to
The
extend
fee
the
is
loan deal.
massive. It makes
And it's
no
like
sense.
yeah, and we have an option to extend the loan for second
50
year.
plus 240. Just imagine that. Like, who would you get for that?
We have an option to extend it for the second year, and it's like and then the second year he'll be after the second year if he stays at Spurs. He's a free agent at Madrid, so Spurs can sign him for free.
Madrid
If that's the case.
desperately want him off their books somehow.
Yeah. He's too expensive.
Madrid, he's really expensive, and you know it's like if Spurs want to sign him after the first year, like this year's loan spell ends, they'll have to pay 20 million for him. That's the thing.
Where are you on those alley rumors? Like, does Mourinho? Do you
See,
think Mourinho
no.
wants him out?
No, I don't feel like that because we are lacking players, and I feel more. See, this is a win situation. This is basically an all or nothing situation for Dele Alli. Okay.
Yeah.
It's basically like if he plays this season, he's fair enough. Like he can compete. If not, then he'll be another Barkley or Wilshere, literally. Like a typical English player. Even
Yeah,
PSG are
exactly.
currently linked with him.
He
PSG are
peaked at
currently linked with him.
21, and then he went
Yeah.
out. It's basically Barkley and Wilshere again.
Yeah, that's what. It's like these are the typical English players, you know, get the hype and then go down. They literally fall down after the 1-2 seasons, and it's a big disaster for a club.
Do you think Bale can get you in the top 4? And if you do, then
Yes.
who are you going to replace in the top?
Yes.
I see with the
He said
fixture
yes.
compilation. Yes, I can. I'm feeling that because you know the fixture compilation. That's the biggest issue in our fixtures right now. So we have in 10 days we have like 4-5 games. Like literally 2 days के बाद हर दिन game हो रहा है यार. So backup चाहिए सबके लिए. We are going for a striker and a CB. Linked with Ruben Diaz right now. And 2 Sevilla strikers, or Sevilla I'm saying, Benfica strikers. So let's see, man. It's all about the depth which we need, and I feel Mourinho is doing that a great job with that. Because I feel this is one thing which I always say, like you know, Pochettino was a nice guy. अगर उसको बोलेंगे funds नहीं है, वो funds मांगता भी नहीं. लेवी के बोलता funds नहीं है, वो बोलता ठीक है.
But Mourinho drama करेगा,
But Mourinho is
which
like,
is
yeah.
bad press,
Mourinho.
and he
No, it's not a bad
antagonizes
press.
owners.
It's not a bad press. No. So basically, it's like he's saying that, you know, and basically, yeah, you can say that he antagonizes the owners. If Spurs was a big club, then I would have agreed with you over there. Okay, Spurs weren't a big club. Spurs need to be a big club, so that's what Mourinho is doing. He's like, बड़ा बनना है, जीतना है, तो पैसा डालना ही पड़ेगा. You need to get experience in your squad. Otherwise, it's nothing, man. Our players, if it's like about Spurs, जीतना होता Leicester season, title compete कर रहे थे, Champions League bottle करना. It's like players का mentality नहीं है वो, okay? And I feel
Yeah, वही तो
Mourinho
मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
जैसा
Spurs
अगर-
are filled with those millennial players. You know, they are not the kind of players that
it is.
you go, you know, I'm gonna prove people wrong. They're more like, you know, talking about toothpaste on the. That was.
I mean,
talking
but
about
it's also a little harsh. I mean, saying that I don't think they bottled the Champions League.
Yeah, bottle नहीं था.
See, I'll tell you
somehow
something.
lucked
I'll tell you
out.
something.
Liverpool have been there.
See.
Lost it.
Yeah, you lost it, you won it. I remember, like, you know, the best comebacks of all in the Champions League for me, the Istanbul game for Liverpool. So, like, you know, Liverpool has been there, they've played finals, like, they have a history of Champions League, it's fine. But, you know, Spurs, they never looked like winning the Champions League. They never looked like playing in the finals, okay?
Yeah, because Liverpool last year हार के आए, dude, and this year they were like,
हार
there's
के
no
आया,
way
it's
we're
like ठीक है, yeah, I get your point. हार के आया, समझा. But तुम पहली बार अपने हिस्ट्री में फाइनल्स में आ रहे हो. So that is a different thing, okay?
That is
वो
true.
it's
You have to get over that big
you have
peak.
to play for it. You know, it's like पहली बार आया, and what if we win at the first time? So वो players का mentality आता है. First minute penalty.
Chelsea का United के against हुआ था ना, same चीज. Like the first time United वाला match के against. First time उधर आए on that
What a
pinnacle,
final,
we
bro,
lost.
what a
Then we
final.
came back later, and then we won it. So you need that first time wala, you know, that first experience. Like, okay, final match. Okay, we can be a finals wala team. We can be in the Champions League final. And I think after that, Poch kind of I mean, it kind of went down a little bit. Like,
It
can we
really
even
went
qualify
down.
for the Champions League now?
Yeah. It really went down.
And I
because
think they needed Mourinho to kind of be that guy who's like, okay, now I'm gonna take them to the next step. If you give me the players, which is what he's asking for. Right?
That's what happened with Chelsea also. So
Yeah. And it's like the players, they don't have a winning mentality. If you see, they really don't. So it's like it's just Mourinho who can install it. You know, it's just Mourinho.
And
If
also
it's
you
not
have to
Mourinho-
see this
That's
was a
what-
big statement.
that's
They
what
took
we
2
also
signings from
No,
United.
but United
This was a
at
big
least won the
statement. They
Europa
took-
League. At least United won the Europa League. You know, Tushar,
Yeah.
like at least you won something. So we
Yeah.
haven't won since 2008.
The Mickey Mouse treble.
Yeah. At least they won.
Huh?
At least they won. So see, basically,
exactly.
it's a good thing, man.
Wow.
At least they won.
I
So
love this. People are rejoicing winning the Europa League. Crazy.
yeah, I mean, I was like,
No, but
Jeete to.
for
consider winning. Yeah.
Spurs need those kind of
Yeah,
like
we need.
low-ish level trophies to get to the next level now.
we
Because
start
if
off
you
with the
don't
Carabao
win
Cup.
anything, it's like the momentum thing. You need to build
Yeah,
up
yeah.
momentum to win titles.
So वैसे तो Arsenal should win the Premier League then. FA Cup, Community Shield.
Arsenal are an outlier, dude.
Bro,
अबे
FA
नहीं।
Cup उनका home cup है dude.
That
Bro,
is Aubameyang
home.
FC.
Emirates
That is
वो भी
Aubameyang FC.
same.
उनका
Sponsors सब
स्पॉन्सर भी है, वो लोग वहाँ पे अच्छा खेलते हैं, वो लोग वही इसलिए बोलते हैं कि यही जीतना है, यही आएगा, इसी में एक्स्ट्रा पैसा है अपने को.
We need to, Abhi, we need to get an Arsenal fan, bro. I like miss bashing
Oh
Arsenal.
no,
Yeah, please.
I'm talking to this one.
I'll want one. I
Chirag
really
Karte.
want one.
Tushar, put a message out there for people watching us on YouTube.
Anyone who's an Arsenal fan, please
Or a
join
City
us.
fan. Or a City
Please.
fan.
Yeah,
Please
please.
join
please
us.
join us.
Or a
DM
City
us-
fan.
Yeah,
I mean,
DM us on Twitter and we'll try to put you up.
We love glory hunters, and at the same time, we need someone who we can bash all the time.
Or you
So,
can
Arsenal
just
fan.
comment.
Yeah, there won't be that
Yeah.
much bashing because United is also here. So, like, you
Oh,
know.
my God. Talking, man. Like, how
The
does
constant
this
digs.
Dude, but seriously.
guy, how does this guy
अभी
even
दिखा
speak as a
दिया
Chelsea
यूनाइटेड
fan,
कैसा
bro?
क्लब है अभी
How
सिचुएशन.
how
स्पर्स 2
does
प्लेयर लेके चला गया तुम लोग का टारगेट.
मैंने तेरे
दो
को
target
उसका-
लेके चला गया.
तुषार एलेक्स टेस के लिंक के ऊपर क्या बोलना है?
किसके ऊपर?
एलेक्स टेस एफसी पोर्टो
हाँ,
लेफ्ट बैक.
I don't know.
Good
bro.
signing?
I don't know.
I mean, he's a good player, man. He's
Yeah,
a
he's
good
a
player,
good
but वो भी मिलेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. अभी PSG भी उसके लिए
PSG
लुकआउट
भी
में
है,
है.
PSG भी है.
हाँ, exactly. अभी ये लोग तो मतलब like
And PSG, United के पास पैसा है नहीं है, no one knows. But PSG has the money, and they'll come again. They'll do the same thing. They'll show them the value. United is paying us this much. PSG will actually pay that much. So
and it's very clear what United want right now. They want a left back and they want a right winger or whatever.
Right winger.
And they've been losing out on targets like left and right, and it's crazy because
they are
when you
not
talk about-
targets.
yes, if you
They're
talk
not
about
targets.
Mourinho and everybody says Mourinho is past it, but he does have more pull than Ole because Ole hasn't won anything.
Money
have
is
to
always
give
the
them
bigger
that
pull.
credit.
You need to remember that. The amount of money
Yeah.
you can get at United as a right winger, you
Yeah.
can't compare that to any
Ah,
club.
yeah.
So
मतलब
therefore,
लिवरपूल में
therefore
जितने
the
पैसे
pull
मिलता है ना,
counts.
लिवरपूल का right
Therefore,
winger
the
से
fact
मिला के जितना
that
पैसा
Spurs
मिलता है,
have pulled
उतना-
these players, that counts.
Good. I think it's just hype. I don't think they
नहीं, but but it's on loan, na. Both of them on
Loan या
on
कुछ
loan,
भी.
right?
Obviously, United would be
No,
also
no,
like
cool.
cool.
But then we are looking for.
नहीं, but loan में you don't have to commit, right? You
Yeah.
don't have to commit. You're like, I can always go back. There's a difference, yeah. Don't say.
And-
Bale can't go back. They don't want him back. He
can't.
doesn't want to
And
go
Akshay-
back.
And
He
Akshay,
just wants to
मतलब
sleep
वो
through
जाएगा
the-
गोल्फ खेलेगा वापस जाके.
And Akshay,
हाँ,
देख लेंगे.
Akshay, we are building a team. Okay, we
हाँ,
can't.
yeah, तुम लोग
We can't
look,
get
वो-
players.
you're like
from-
one of those buildings ना जिसके around scaffolding होता है for 7 years. Like they keep
Can't.
building पर कभी finish ही नहीं होता है वो project. Like ऐसा like builder खाया है पैसा वाला
Yeah.
situation है United का भी.
Ole at the crane. Yeah.
तुम लोग का भी जल्दी आएगा लैम्पार्ड आउट. रुको, वेट करो तुम लोग.
हाँ, एक साल ही लगता है चेल्सी में वैसे.
हाँ, एक साल लगेगा.
तुम्हारा
That is fair.
तुम्हारा
कल
वो
ही-
भी-
कल ही मैं कोई
वो
वीडियो
छोड़,
देख रहा था चेल्सी का
कल-
मुझे तो नहीं लगता देख भाई आएगा. I don't think आएगा, but if you
Lampard
say
out.
so we can wait and watch.
ब्रो चेल्सी का रिकॉर्ड देखा है उसमें वो आई थिंक कोई YouTube में कोई चैनल में दिखा रहा था ऐसे. आई थिंक इट वाज डन ऑन स्काई स्पोर्ट्स ओनली.
Yeah.
महीने वाज द ओनली गाय विद 3 इयर्स समथिंग. उसके बाद सब लोग मंथ्स में थे. मंथ्स 1 ईयर के
Exactly.
आसपास 1 मंथ.
तुम लोग का
That's the thing. We
तेरा
keep
तेरा
firing, we
अक्षय
keep winning
तेरा अक्षय
something.
तेरा अक्षय वो बिल्डिंग है जिसमें लेबर लोग काम करते हैं हर
But
3
building
महीने
बाप
के लिए
लगता है. Building बाप है. सब सर्विस है. You know, elevator है. सब कुछ बना है.
I think
3
building
महीने का
कितना भी
contract.
गंदा हो,
Watchman
we
change
ended
होते
up-
रहता है. But building बाप है.
Dude, we ended up with at same points as United did, and we were in the top
Such a-
4 for a greater period of
such a
time
proud
than United was.
Such a
So
proud
there's
moment.
no doubt that we are the more consistent team and we are the better team despite not having good experienced players.
We do have experienced players. We have Kante, who's a Premier League winner. Abhi now we've bought Thiago Silva, who's won multiple.
We have
Talking about
we
the
don't
last
have a
season.
single
Thiago
we don't have a
Silva has
single-
won league. ठीक है वहाँ पे जीतना पड़ता है. If you don't
हाँ.
stay in PSG and don't win that, then
He
that's
won
a problem.
Serie A also ना. He won Serie A जब जाने के टाइम पे. Dude, like ये मतलब top player है. वो तो है ही. मतलब like-
I'm a little suspective, of Thiago Silva. I want to see him in the game because I think obviously an amazing player, no doubt, for a really long time. One of the best defenders in the world for a long
Yeah,
time.
but the age
But-
factor है.
Age factor with defenders
the
in the
game.
Premier League, pace. I think that.
Pace, Yeah, we'll have to wait and watch. But I think recruitment-wise, we've done very well because we basically picked the exact player that we needed. I think we need experience in the back line. That's the only
ये वाला
problem.
यही जो लाइन है ये रिकॉर्ड रख लेना अनुराग. मतलब make sure this is recorded
yeah
by the
क्या
end
हुआ?
of the
बंद हो
season.
गया?
नहीं just we wanted to record that end of the season. I want to see how
He
that
wants to
pans out.
use, he thinks Chelsea will do very
Oh my
bad and
God.
then he'll post it.
Dude, मैं already regret कर रहा हूँ Leeds वाला situation. Like Leeds को top 10 में डालना चाहिए था वे. I mean I know it's after one game, but they're playing.
Honestly,
that's the problem Akshay you talk without any backing
नहीं नहीं United का I'm sure you guys तुम लोग का मैं जो भी comment मारो I'm pretty sure about it.
I'll will see and then you know what will
कुछ
happen
ऐसा नहीं. United is like doing the job for me.
I
They
will-
like to prove me right.
I will
It's almost
literally-
like player लोग को
if-
मैं cut दे रहा है. It's like
if your prediction is wrong I will literally walk over you I'll take a
Dude, तू बोला कि United title
walk
जीत रहा है.
over
तेरा
you.
prediction wrong होएगा तो क्या होएगा?
Believe.
believe
Anyway, I think first week से सबसे ज़्यादा खुश ओमकार होगा, given Sheffield lost and
Yeah.
Oh,
his
हाँ.
prediction
हाँ.
that
Dude,
Yeah.
ओमकार का राड़ा एकदम weird club से, like Sheffield से राड़ा है उसका. बेचारे लोग को रहने दो ना, क्यों?
अरे वो कंफ्यूज हो जाता है ना यूनाइटेड तो उसको लगता है कौन सा यूनाइटेड
Yeah, हम ही एक United है. Newcastle को भी निकालो बाहर.
न्यूकैसल अच्छा
हाँ, actually अच्छा है. Newcastle का Wilson looks quite amazing. Like last week में.
But Wilson का injury record is also there. Like बहुत
Quite
ज़्यादा
amazing.
injury record.
Danny Rose, what about that?
Genoa bro, going to Milan. Finally his
obviously,
dream. Genoa.
Dude,
Genoa
that
was-
वही तो like if you basically come in and say all that stuff to a manager, you're not gonna play. I don't know what was he thinking.
And especially to Mourinho.
वही
You
तो,
can't say that to him.
Any manager वो क्या
औकात नहीं है bro.
वो वीडियो में आके पूछता है उसको कि what's the problem? मुझे बोलता है I don't understand.
like I don't understand what you're talking about. You're not playing well. Like Liverpool क्या खेल गान खेला. उसके बाद मैं क्या करूँ तेरी पूजा करूँ मैं. Dude, that whole situation was so weird, man.
Crazy,
I mean, the kind of ego a person needs to have that conversation with the manager and come in like, what, should I stay at home? I'm like, oh my god, this is not gonna go well for you, buddy.
And then he's like मैं जाके बोलने वाला हूँ लेवी से बात करूंगा मैं लेवी को बोलना है मेरे को.
Yeah, Ari, but Everton ka, we haven't spoken about Everton.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I mean, they look good. I mean, James looked really good.
Really good. See, basically, the core of the team is like Allen and Doucouré, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Allen was the man of the match. This interceptions is amazing. Literally, like he dominated the midfield like single-handedly, and he gave a free role to Doucouré so that Doucouré could move ahead. And Andre Gomes was there as a supporting role.
Yeah,
So it was
Allen did the
basically
same thing for Hamsik.
Yeah.
Napoli.
That's what. Even that's why the Hamsik was the highest goal scorer over there. So it's like Everton was a real threat, and it's like give a free role to James, which that's what Ancelotti did, and you can see the outcome. Like it was really good, man.
Do you think Spurs were a little bit too drab in that performance?
Spurs were bland, bro. They didn't even.
Yeah.
They didn't even
I mean,
compete in.
वो passing,
basi-
it was so.
So I could just say like we could just like create a few chances in the first half. I don't know what happened in the second half. In the start, it was all down. It really went down. It was like the worst match I've ever seen. literally the worst match I've ever seen. It was basically I'm just watching Everton playing a friendly against some, second tier team or
There was
something.
no Mourinho का effect ही नहीं लग रहा था उसमें. Like Mourinho usually you get a fight. If you're losing, you get a fight.
Yeah. So basically that's where I come in. Like I feel like it's the players. Players can't pass the ball. It's like players weren't able to pass. Sissoko, please just remove that deadwood from the team now. It's like it's done and dusted, bro. Literally done and dusted. Send him to Newcastle. Send him anywhere. Free agent बना दो. Spurs fans will fund for his wages. Free agent कर दो चलेगा, but हटा दो उसको. Because it's like he can't pass the ball. Winks was scared from Doucouré. It seems like Doucouré will give a body slam or something. He was literally scared. He couldn't pass. His basic passing is basically sideways and different defenders. Through ball तो है ही नहीं कुछ. Dele Alli, the laziest player I've ever seen. Literally the laziest player I've ever seen. कुछ नहीं है bro. Momentum ही नहीं आता game में. But it's like I used to back him a lot. But it's been 2 seasons now. It's literally 2 seasons. Like he hasn't performed. It's the last season for me. Like I'll just see खेला तो खेला.
It's like
losing. No,
I have. It's like we're on
बोलो.
Arsenal TV right now.
No.
उतना
उस level का
Bro,
production quality नहीं पहुंचा.
Bro,
नहीं,
Arsenal,
I love the
AFTV, bro,
rant.
blood or fam नहीं है तो like no
Rant.
what fam? They're out.
उसके अलावा कुछ और इंडियन कुछ वर्ड यूज करना पड़ेगा ना मतलब.
हाँ ओ तेरी
What the-
But
Oh, Terry.
It's like-
Oh, Terry.
Aman, I have a question.
Yeah.
Like, is losing Christian Eriksen, because one of my favorite players in the Premier League, when he was
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
Christian Eriksen, losing is that like a big hit? And does
Yes,
that
it is a
because
big- we haven't
having someone like
replaced
him,
anyone.
yeah, because
no.
creatively that was the issue that game में like nobody's taking any risks
no creative.
and nobody's taking any risk. And I saw वो documentary में Mourinho says कि if we first keep the ball first, we don't lose it for like fancy passing, and everybody's thinking that, and they keep doing these predictable passes, and is that there has to be some part of it.
In the last game, the best creator for Spurs was Harry Kane. His distribution, his passes, it's like वही है. And I feel we missed out Lo Celso a lot because Lo Celso, I don't know if you guys see his must-seen or his game or something, but he's like a core of a midfield right now. No Lo Celso, no creativity, no pressure, no high press, nothing. So we needed Lo Celso alongside Højbjerg. And I feel if Ndombele gets fitter, like as he started, like Mourinho stated, like Ndombele is improving a lot. So it's a 4-3-3 which we obviously go with Højbjerg at the CDM and Lo Celso and Ndombele. That's the creative we need. And it's like, yeah, obviously we haven't replaced Eriksen yet. I mean, a cam, like a proper cam. So
Højbjerg didn't have a good game, by the way.
Højbjerg didn't have a good game. It's like I don't judge him because it's the first game, okay? Like
Yeah, obviously.
But see, the reason why I was ranting about Spurs is because you see a passion. You see, like हार रहे, so you have to come up with that. Second half you perform again. You have to be like, चल एक goal मारेंगे, at least a draw. You have to play with something. You don't even create a chance. That's the thing. You couldn't even pass the ball. Sissoko doesn't know how Doherty runs. Literally उसको लगा Aurier भाग रहा है. भाई Aurier मतलब रहने दो. It's like बहुत कुछ थे उस सब games में.
I mean, मैं जब भी बात करता ना लिवरपूल I think riskiest passes लेता है. They take chances. Like that's the opposite of what Spurs का passing
because
है.
see,
Like,
Liverpool का the best thing I like about Liverpool is Van Dijk has a partner like Gomez. Like Gomez is still young, but Gomez will improve. He'll be one of the best centre backs I feel. ठीक है, and Gomez has pace. So yeah, I mean that's the thing. And उनके आगे में experience है attack में. And attack में इतना अच्छा Salah Mane, and it's like यहाँ पे Son. I feel Bergwijn should start more rather than Lucas.
there's also that what I'm trying to get at is like that risk-taking ability. You need to take risks if you want to create big chances.
See,
थोड़ा
I
सा
feel-
risk लेना पड़ता है.
Yeah,
Every
I'll tell you
great
something.
pass is risky.
Yeah, correct. I'll
And
tell you
this was
something.
like
we can-
two like player to player on the ball.
We haven't replaced 2 players, and I don't think we will. If anything goes good, it's Vertonghen and it's Eriksen. Dyer can't.
You were
replace-
really sad about Vertonghen leaving.
Yeah. I can't say. Basically, you have seen Spurs like from that Kabul thing, Dawson thing. Vertonghen and Alderweireld were like the best centre back partnership in Premier League. I guess it's been a while now. They were there. So Dyer is okay. Mourinho के अंडर कर सकता है, but I don't feel like we can't replace Vertonghen unless you actually get someone there.
But who do you see replacing? Who in the top 4? Who do you see Spurs replacing from the last season? If Yeah.
I don't know. Honestly, last season we weren't even worth it that much. If you see,
Yeah.
basically, I'll be honest with that. I mean, okay, we finished sixth. It's a big thing for us because
No, you
Mourinho
can say United. I don't mind.
No, yeah.
You don't mind.
No, obviously.
तुषार निकल गया, अभी
I will
कुछ
agree
भी
with
बोल
you on
सकता है.
See,
तुषार
basically,
निकल गया, अभी कुछ
नहीं,
भी बोल
नहीं,
सकता है.
United तो ठीक है bro. Penalties ठीक है, अच्छा है. I mean, I won't comment much about that. Penalties and all, fine, fair enough. But the game we played, I don't think we still deserve to be in the top 4 because रह के क्या होता? It's like we need to improve this season. It's good that we are playing so many games because players need to realize that you have a manager who's filled with winning mentality. He's won so much. He's won everywhere where he's went. So this is the place. If he doesn't, then like players are a big blame here. And I feel there are just 3-4 players who are really dedicated with Mourinho and the style of it, like Lloris, Kane, and
Dyer?
Alderweireld. Like these players are leaders. Dyer, yeah. Dyer, yeah. So these players are like leaders, okay? Like they can lead. As but if there's a thing, man. This season nahi jeete, you lose
The
out on
rest
Harry
of them
Kane.
are all
Simple as that.
millennial type of players. वो problem.
Yeah. See, Lo Celso will improve. Lo Celso का I'm not saying anything because एक ही season हुआ है. He'll improve. And Ndombele, I won't say anything. एक season हुआ है, ठीक है. It takes time to settle in. It's fine. But the rest, they've been playing, man. Come on. और यार भाई तेरे को कोई टीम नहीं खिलाएगा, तू ऐसा खेलेगा. भाई मैं इसको टर्फ पे भी ना बुलाऊं.